Hey everyone, Codex here. Today what we're gonna do is take a look at Solana and we will be discussing if this downtrend that we have experiencing for over 4 months now will continue as we move into the second quarter of this year or if things are about to change. So if that's something you are interested in and you find these videos helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video and click on that bell icon so you get notified when I upload a new video. Also check out our Patreon account as we post a weekly risk metric dashboard in there, custom charts, tips on when to buy and sell. You will also be able to check my own crypto portfolio and see what I personally buy and sell, and all of this for only €9 a month. So check it out if you are interested, of course. And without further ado, let's get into this one. So we all know that 2021 was Solana's year since the ecosystem has experienced significant growth and the price went from $1.5 at the start of the year all the way up to an all-time high of roughly $260. And although Solana has had its fair share of criticism for not being fully decentralized yet, it's fair to say that the project has seen a lot of growth. However, since reaching our all-time high back at the start of November, it seems like Solana has been in this continuous and dominant downtrend, and as of today, the price is down 67% from the top, which is a lot. I mean, going down 67% in just 4 months is quite significant. Now, if we take a look at the VPVR, which by the way stands for Volume Profile Visible Range, we can see that we have got a pretty significant high volume node in here. What this means is that there is a lot of retail interest in the zone, meaning that if we fall to this level, we will find a decent support as a lot of people are aiming on buying in here. Now, currently Solana is at about 81 to 82 US dollars, and the support level is between 70 and 80 bucks. So we aren't really that far away from it, and we can also notice how important this level is. We bounced back up from it in here, also here again, and we are currently toying with it. So if this bearish momentum continues in the next few days, then we might see Solana coming in here to test the $70 to $80 level. Now, my concerns are us failing to hold this support, because look, if we ever fail to hold this level, then the next level to look out for will be below 50 bucks, simply because we have absolutely no retail interest in here. This zone is a low volume node, we have got nothing in here, so there won't be a whole lot of people betting on Solana if we drop below this level. And I know that this might seem a little bit odd to you, but look, we have had the same exact issue with Chainlink, DOT, Elrond, FTM, and a lot of other cryptocurrencies. This video is mainly about Solana, but let me show you what I mean, because we had the same exact issue this week with FTM. So this is FTM's chart, FTM to USD of course, and we made I think 2 videos about it in the last 20 days. The first one was in here and the second one was in here, and we discussed how we will be looking at a drop to this next high volume node if we fail to regain some control and go back up. We have had the same issue with many other coins, and Solana is currently facing the same problem. So our main goal is now to hold up tight in here and to remain above the support level, because once we fall below it, we won't have any support levels, and the fall will be similar to what we had in here. It will be fast and brutal, because as I said, we have no retail interest whatsoever in here. It doesn't matter if your grandma will be buying in here or if a whale will jump in, it doesn't really matter. Giving up on the support means falling down in here. Now, if we take a look at the KDG on a daily time frame, we can see that the black line is still going below the level of 20, and it's actually still going down. It's actually still falling. The descending blue line is also winning its downside race against the orange line, and so the momentum is simply bearish. Now, what we need in here to start talking about a shift in the trend and a bullish momentum is the black line going up again above the level of 20, and we need a bullish cross between the ascending blue line and the ascending orange line, like in here for example, and at that time we can start talking about some relief. Look, I might be wrong, although if you go watch my previous videos I would say that 90% of them are accurate and reasonable, but I do think that Solana will come in here where it will spend some time like in the summer of last year, and we can then see how it goes. Now look, if you check for example the KDG on a bigger time frame, we can see that on the weekly time frame we are quite overextended down, and whenever you are overextended down, the chances of seeing a bounce back up are high, but I'm not taking the risk with no confirmations. Once we get a move to the upside from the black line and a bullish cross between the orange and blue line right here, we can start discussing another rally. But for now, it doesn't really make a whole lot of sense to me to start talking about an all-time high, a new all-time high, like many are doing. So to conclude, Solana is still bearish and we are currently looking at the $70 to $80 level in the next few days if this downtrend continues. And at that time we will know if Solana will manage to pass the real test or if its fate will be similar to the rest. That was about it guys for Solana today. Thanks for sticking by till the end. Don't forget to leave the video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment if you feel comfortable doing so. Also check out my Patreon account. Have a nice day and peace.